Hello everyone, I welcome you in the class presentation of Holy Kids International School. Through this presentation, the student of Holy Kids will show their talent and conversation skill. So please welcome to a student of class 7th.
Hello Saksham,
How are you?
I am fine and what's about you?
I am also fine. Our topic is homework. Ansika, good morning.
Good morning sir.
Show me your homework notebook to me.
Sorry sir, I forget my notebook at home.
Did you do your homework?
Yes sir, but I left my notebook at home.
How is it possible? I think you have not completed your homework. It is just an excuse.
Sorry sir, in fact I had to go to my uncle's house.
You give importance to other things than your study.
My father asked me to go there.
Okay, after come back you could have completed your homework.
It was late night when I come back.
One more thing, there is nothing important things than in study in the world.
I have realized my mistake.
Okay, next time I'll be carefully you.
Okay sir, thank you.
Fine, Ansika.
Hello Krishna.
Hi Mahi,
How are you?
I am fine. What's about you?
I am also fine. Which is your favorite subject, Krishna?
Science.
Do you play any game?
Yes, I play cricket.
What is your favorite game?
My favorite game is cricket.
Which is your favorite player?
Virat Kohli.
What is your hobby?
My hobby reading a book.
Do you like to watching TV?
Oh yes, like it.
What is your favorite channel?
Discovery Channel.
Do you go for outing with your parents?
Yes, I go out with my friend.
Okay Krishna, it's very nice to meet you. Bye.
Thank you.
Most welcome.
Hello Anas,
Hello Nika,
how are you?
I am fine and what's about you?
I am also fine. Our topic is stay healthy. How can we keep our body healthy?
We can keep our body healthy by eating nutrition food.
When should we get up?
We should get up early in the morning.
What does our eating cause?
Overeating can cause diseases.
Thank you Anas.
Most welcome.
Hello Anand,
Hello Anbhavi,
how are you?
I am fine and what's about you?
I am also fine. Our topic is substitutes. Who is called Gurudev?
Rabindranath Tagore is called Gurudev.
And who is called Loknayak?
Jayaprakash Narayan is called Loknayak.
Very good. Now tell me who is called Bapuji?
Mahatma Gandhi is called Bapuji.
Who is called Iron Man of India?
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is called Iron Man of India.
Who is called Deshbandhu?
Chittaranjan is called Deshbandhu.
Very good. Now tell me whom do you call Chacha Nehru?
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is called Chacha Nehru.
Who is called Rajaji?
Rajgopalachari is known as Rajaji.
Who is called Iron Lady in India?
Indira Gandhi is called Iron Lady of India.
Can you tell me who is called Lal Balpal?
Yes, sure. Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Vipin Chand Pal. Thank you.
Welcome.
Hello Arun.
Hi Vaishnavi.
How are you?
I am fine and what's about you?
I am also fine. Our topic is more about birds and animals. Which is the most hardworking insect?
Ant is the most hardworking insect.
Which animal can store food and water in its body?
Camel can store food and water in its body.
Which creature smells with its tongue?
A snake smells with its tongue.
Which creature never stops moving?
Shark is the only creature which never stops moving.
Which is the most beautiful and colorful insect?
Butterfly is the most beautiful and colorful insect.
Which is the largest bird in the world?
The ostrich is the largest bird in the world.
Which bird come out in the night only?
An owl comes out in the night only.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Hello Anbhavi,
Hi Anay.
how are you?
I am fine and what's about you?
I am also fine. Our topic is different symbol. What does the lotus stand for?
The lotus is the symbol of culture and civilization.
What does the rectangle represent?
The red triangle is the symbol of family planning.
What does the red cross represent?
The red cross is the symbol of red hospital.
What does the wheel represent?
The wheel is the symbol of progress. Thank you.
All welcome.
Hi Arni,
Hi Arpit,
how are you?
I am fine and what about you?
I am also fine. Our topic is religious places and books. What is the place of worship of the Hindus?
The Hindu worship in a temple.
What is the place of worship of the Sikh?
The Sikh worship in a Gurudwara.
What is the place of worship of the Muslims?
The Muslim worship in a mosque.
What is the place of worship of the Parsi?
The Parsi worship in a fire temple.
What is the place of worship of the Christians?
The Christian worship in a church.
What is the religious book of Sikh?
The Guru Granth Sahib is a religious book of the Sikh.
What is the religious book of Christians?
The Holy Bible is a religious book of the Christian.
What is the religious book of Muslims?
The Quran is a religious book of the Muslim.
What is the religious book of Hindus?
The Ved and Ramayana Bhagavad Gita is a religious book of the Hindu.
Thank you.
Most welcome.
Our topic is
friends meeting.
Hello Radhika.
Hi Karthik, long time no see.
Yes, I was out of town. How is everything?
All is well. Meet my friend Ria.
Hi Ria.
Hi.
Are you new in our neighborhood?
Yes, it's last week we shifted her.
Nice meeting you.
Same here.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Hi Samar.
Hello, Avi.
How are you?
I am fine, and what's about you?
I am also fine. Our topic is scientific fact. Today I will check your scientific knowledge in science. Are you ready?
Ready?
What is normal body temperature?
Ma'am, the normal body temperature is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit.
What is freezing point of water?
The water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius.
Which gas plants use during photosynthesis?
Ma'am, plants use carbon dioxide during photosynthesis.
Which gas do we breathe?
We breathe in oxygen gas.
Which is lightest gas?
Helium is the lightest gas.
Which metal is liquid at room temperature?
Mercury metal is liquid at room temperature.
Very good, Samar. You have sound knowledge. Welcome.
Hello Ursa,
Hi, Laj.
how are you?
I am fine. And what's about you?
I am also fine. Our topic is famous places of the world. Do you know Ursa, where is the famous Brooklyn Palace situated?
The Buckingham Palace is situated in London.
Where is the famous Statue of Liberty situated?
The Statue of Liberty is situated in New York.
Where is the famous White Hall situated?
The White House is situated in London.
Thank you.
Most.
Hello Devraj.
Hello, Prince.
How are you?
I'm fine. And what's about you?
I am also fine. Can I ask some question? Religious books and places.
Of course.
What is the place of worship of Hindu?
The Hindus worship in a temple.
What is the place of worship of Christian?
The Christian worship in a church.
What is the place of worship of Muslim?
The Muslim worship in a mosque.
What is the place of worship of the Sikh?
The Sikh worship in a Gurudwara.
What is the place of worship of Parsi?
The Parsi worship in a fire temple.
What is the religious book of the Sikh?
Guru Granth Sahib is the religious book of the Sikh.
What is the religious book of the Christian?
Holy Bible is the religious book of the Christian.
What is the religious book of the Muslim?
The Quran is the religious book of the Muslim.
What is the religious book of the Parsi?
Jandavasta is the religious book of the Parsi.
What is the religious book of the Hindu?
The Vedas and the Ramayana and the Bhagavad Gita is the religious book of the Hindu.
Thank you.
Hello, Divans. You look so sad. All well?
Hi, Mara. I am fine, but my father is not well.
Oh, I am sorry to hear that. What happened to him?
The doctor says his liver is not functioning properly.
Which doctor have you consulted?
The doctor Kumar, he had recommended some test.
Have you got the reports?
Yes, the doctor already started the treatment.
Oh, I see. Has there any improvement?
Yes, but the progress is very slow.
Did you speak doctor about it?
Yes, the doctor says we have to be a little patient.
Any restriction about diet food?
Yes, the doctor recommended only boiled food, lots of liquid, no tea and coffee.
Please be careful about diet.
Yes, we are doing our best.
Anything I can do, Divyans?
No, Mara, I will ask if needed.
Thank you.
Most welcome.
Hello Kaushik.
Hi Iska,
How are you?
I am fine, and what's about you?
I am also fine. Our topic name is Save Water. Kaushik, do you know water is an essential natural resource?
Yes Iska, but other waste it.
How, Kaushik?
Some people take shower for wasting it.
So what should be done to save water?
One mug should fill and then tap off the water.
Yes, you are right. By doing this, we can save a lot of water.
But do you know that many people waste water by...
Yes, I know. We use a bucket to take a bath.
Yes, you are right.
Do you know groundwater is also decreasing day by day?
Yes, I am worried that there will be a day there is very less water on the earth.
Yes, Kaushik, we should save water. It is a necessity of life.
Absolutely correct, Iska.
Thank you.
Welcome.